In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or uninstall Microsoft OneNote from Windows 10. Whether you're trying to free up space or simply no longer need the app, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. To begin, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, open the Settings menu by selecting the gear icon. Once the Settings window appears, look for the section labeled Apps and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the applications currently installed on your computer. In the Apps and Features section, scroll through the list until you find Microsoft OneNote. You can also use the search bar to quickly locate it if you have many programs installed. Once you've found OneNote, click on it to reveal additional options. Next, select the Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the application. Confirm your choice and Windows will begin the uninstallation process. This usually takes just a few moments to complete. If you're using the version of OneNote that comes bundled with Microsoft Office, the process may be slightly different. In that case, you may need to go to the Control panel instead. Open the Control panel from the Start menu, then select Programs and Features. From the list of installed programs, find Microsoft Office, click on it, and choose the option to modify or uninstall. From there, you can remove OneNote specifically or adjust your Office installation settings. After the process is complete, OneNote will no longer appear in your list of installed apps. It's a good idea to restart your computer afterward to ensure all changes are properly applied. Keep in mind that uninstalling OneNote does not delete your notebooks if they are stored in the cloud, such as on OneDrive. You can always reinstall the app later and sign back in to access your notes again. Removing OneNote from Windows 10 is quick and simple, and it gives you more control over the apps installed on your system. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.